I don't want peace.
Sorry to disturb you. So I've been wanting to ask one question, but I don't mean to sound rude, you know.
What is it?
I know it's not my business, but your business is my business. So my dear, I'm looking at your shelf right now in your room. I know you like perfume, and I know that perfumes make you happy. And I cannot even lie, you don't try. You really spend a lot on perfumes. But of late it gets as it be. With the economy and the 𝗕𝙤𝙧𝗶𝗏 nature.
First blood.
But I'm looking at 8 to 10 empty bottles on your shelf, my dear. When will you throw these bottles away?
I'm not here speaking out.
When will you throw them away?
Hey man, what's your business, man? What's your business?
And it's not like you are trying to recycle it. Okay? Perfume bottle is not decoration, in case you don't know.
Don't angry me.
Because I know that maybe you have forgotten, or you are so busy, not had time to arrange it. My dear.
Let's have it. Come on, baby, let's have it.
Perfume bottle is not decoration. Try disposal. You go and take it.
Yeah, what you talk? Speaking again.
Throw it away. If you like this, I don't care.
I will come on your teeth just now.
I just say as a reminder. I know you forgot it. Don't be annoyed. Alright?
Can you fuck off?
You will. Bye bye.
In my mind, no go touch ground.